Hi guys, this is Monica with Microbiology 225 at Ozuzo Pacific University. I hope you're all having a great day. It's Sunday. I'm working on experiment number 3, and that experiment is microscopy for microbiology use and function. So we will be looking at the letter E today at all different powers and lenses of the microscope, starting with scanning. So we all know that scanning is an objective magnification of 4x, low power is 10x, high power is 40, and the oil immersion is 100. So I'm not sure if I'm actually supposed to just record myself looking through the microscope, trying to adjust it. So what I'm going to do is just talk to you briefly as I just did, and then I'm going to pause and show you the letter E under whatever magnification I have it on. So right now I have it on the scanning power, and I will show you a picture. I'm going to have to turn my camera, flip it over, if I can do that. Okay guys, I'm back. So now we're moving on to the magnification. We did the scanning, now we're moving to low power, which is 10x. Okay, so it's a little hard. I don't have a digital camera, but it's a little more detailed. You can see all the ridges. Now back installing the, so we did the scanning power, the low power, the high power. I'm having kind of a hard time, so I'm going to skip over that for now so I don't waste any more time, and I'm going to do the oil immersion lens. So I'm installing that right now. Also, this microscope, it's a good microscope, but it doesn't have the best lighting, and it's a little hard. It's giving me a hard time. So I'm going to clean this lens. I'm going to start off at the scanning though. You always want to start off at the lowest power and then work your way up. I think that's a little too much light. Hard. So where it goes, nice and focused. Oh, my oil. There's my oil. Now I'm going to turn my revolving nose piece to the oil immersion. That one, this one. I'm gonna pause for a minute. Hey guys, it's me again. I'm moving on to the exercise 2, which is viewing prepared microbe slides. This is a little difficult trying to adjust to using a microscope and the different lenses, but this is the best that I can do for the amoeba. So this is the amoeba. Hi guys, it's me again. So I was focusing my microscope, and like I said, I was working on lab exercise 2, and I was able to find penicillium with conidia. This is penicillium with conidia. So now we're moving on to the yeast, the yeast melt, and I am focusing it on which color is this? This is 10. So that would be the low power. I'm going to switch it up a little bit to the next level. They really are like spiraled. There you go. Hey guys, it's me again. Sorry that I have to keep pausing in between. I'm just trying to like get my microscope focused, and it's a little hard. So now on the last one, which is coccus, and I have that at the low power. It's Monica again. Now I'm doing part 3 of the microscopy for microbiology. So I'm going to do a wet mount slide. So I have my sterile swabs, I have my clean slide, I have my cover slip here, and I have my distilled water and a clean pipette. So with one sterile solid package, I'm going to gently scrape a few cells from the inside of my cheek. I got that. I'm going to smear the swab containing the cheek cells into the microscope slide. I'm grabbing this. And then with my pipette, I'm going to add 1 drop of distilled water to the smear. There's 1 drop. Then with my cover slip, I am going to carefully place 1 edge of the cover slip next to the water drop on the slide. As a drop of water comes in contact with the cover slip, the water will wick along the junction of the cover slip and the slide. There it goes. Slowly lower the edge of the cover slip onto the water droplet. If there is excess water, place a paper towel at the edge. But I'm pretty good right now, as you can see that. This will further flatten the wet mount slide. Place the prepared slide on the microscope stage between the stage clips and turn on the light. My light's already on. Place this here. And focus on the scanning power, which I have it on. And then I will be looking to see that my cheek cells are magnified in the 400 power magnification and that they look similar like this. Hi guys, so I'm finally at the last part of this lab. I did the swabbing of the cheek, and I grabbed another clean swab and I swabbed my daughter's teeth, and now I'm gonna show you what it looks like. So that concludes the first lab for this week. I will be starting the gram staining in just a little while. I'm gonna upload this to my lab report, lab assistant, and upload it and submit it, and I will see you with the gram staining.